Cotton. Stage 1. The original swaddle is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. Slits on the back of swaddle are for use in swings bouncers. Do not use in infant car seats. Size large. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddle in large fits 3 to 6 months, 14 to 18 pounds, up to 30 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This original swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Only swaddle that has worked. We had our baby girl in another similar swaddle, different brand and a smaller size. She did okay in this one but started to get too long, so ordered these. She's 8 weeks and now sleeping 6 to 7 hour stretches. She seems so much more comfortable and content. She used to move around a lot at night and kick her feet, now she lays so still for the entire night. I'm the one up now checking to make sure she's okay. Haha. These are great. Buy them.